Welcome. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your Facebook login devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first you want to open your Facebook app. Then make sure that your account is logged into it and it is the right account. Then you want to click on these three little lines on the lower right side of your screen. Then scroll down until you see settings and privacy, and then click on settings, and then here you want to click on account center. Then here, so you can see there's a password and security option, so you want to click on that. And then after that, you want to click where you are logged in, and then click on your profile. Then here you can see where you are logged in. So review login activity for this account and log out on any you don't recognize. So for example, you want to remove a device in this on your logged in activity, just select on that device and then click log out. Then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.